Hey folks, it's Mark again with Inbound Revenue here to talk to you today about marketing events in 2025. If you have a marketing event or you're looking to attend a conference or some sort of mastermind in 2025, even out into 2026, take a look at Agency Finder. I'm going to jump out of the way and let you take a look at this. Okay. Made myself small over here. Go to AgencyFinder.biz. Go to the events calendar. You can see all the events for 2025 listed here at Agency Finder. So if you have an event, register your agency, register your business here, and then list your events. You can list them for free. This is, as far as I know, the most complete listing of events for marketing agencies, for marketing, folks, marketing conferences available. You can see all the events that we've got listed here through June, July, out into August and September, October. So we've got them all listed here. You can either look at them, like I said, in a calendar view, like you see here, by coming up upcoming events and going to events calendar, or you can just scroll through them with upcoming events listings, where you'll see a complete listing of events that are coming up. You can click on each one of these. You can find out how to buy tickets. You can find out where it's located. You can find out, what they're going to cover, what they're going to talk about. So if you're looking for a marketing event, a marketing conference in 2025, this is absolutely the place for you to go to. You want to go to AgencyFinder.biz. Ultimately, you want to list your agency here or list your organization here. Say you don't own an agency, but you own a podcast or you have a school group or you're a marketing consultant. You want to get listed here, get featured on the site, start to get traffic, start to get leads, because there are a ton of people coming here. Because one of the challenges that we're solving here at Agency Finders, helping businesses find a marketing agency that is well suited and well fit for them. I own Inbound Revenue. You can see the side back here. We're a white label Google Ads agency. We sponsor Agency Finder, but what we don't do is work with direct clients. So we're able to help guide and direct business owners to find agencies that are the best fit for them to work with. So check out the upcoming events. You've also got a jobs board, media gallery, articles, and of course the member directory. We look forward to seeing you at Agency Finder. Reach out to me. You can find me on X, LinkedIn, Facebook, or at inboundrevenue.com, or of course right here, AgencyFinder.biz.